Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am Manzoor Abbasi, mathematics teacher, Pakistan International School. Dhaka. Today we are going to start the chapter number 10, exercise 10.2, lecture number 21. Dear student, in this exercise, we have first of all, in the very beginning, bisection of the line segment. By means to, bisection means to divide. To divide into two equal sections or parts. Here we have to draw a right bisector of the given line segment. We have the topic here, how we have to draw the right bisector of the given line segment. First of all, definition of the right bisector. A right bisector of the given line segment is a line which is perpendicular to it, means on a line segment, and passes through midpoint. The right bisector of the given line segment can be constructed by using a pair of the compasses and ruler as shown in the following example. Here we have a book example that draw a 5 centimeter long line segment, first of all with the help of a ruler. 5 centimeter line segment. Now this is the line segment. First step, take the center A, take the center, open the compass more than half of the given line segment. Open the compass more than the half of a given line segment AB, and have two arcs up and down. One arc here and second down. Dear students, same open compass, we will take the center at point B, and in the second step we have to bisect here the previous arcs at the point P and Q. First of all, given line segment is the 5 centimeter AB line segment. Open the compass more than half of the AB line segment. Second step. Now here take the E point as center and have two arcs up and down. Now third step, take the point B as a center. Use the same opened compass of the means of the same radius and cut the previous arcs at the point P and Q. Dear student, we have the last step. Join the point P and Q by the ruler, and then we can say this PQ line is a right bisector, and right bisector has two properties. Number one, the length of the OA means this line segment, and length of OB, they will be equal to each other, and then measurement of the angle AOP or BOP, they will be equal. Here is the statement. Segment OA and segment line segment OB, it will be equal, and the measurement of the AOP and BOP, it is also equal to the 90 degree. So that's why we can say PQ is a perpendicular on the line segment AB. Dear student, for further, I have attached a video that complete procedure to draw the right bisector. It is drawn on a white page. How it is done, for this purpose you have to watch a video. Dear student, today we have to start the 10.2. Question number 1. Draw the right bisectors of the following line segments by using a pair of compasses. Question number 1. It consists of the 4 parts. Part number 1, the line segment line segment AB of 7.6 centimeter. Dear student, in this line segment, we have to draw a right bisector. Right bisector is a line which cut the given line segment at the midpoint and 90 degree. What is the procedure to draw the right bisector? We are going to start its complete procedure. It consists of the four steps. Number one step, the question is given here. The line segment is the AB of the 7.6 centimeter. First step, draw AB line of the 7.6 centimeter with ruler. This line on the white page we will draw. We will copy it from the given textbook from the exercise 10.2 part number 1. Now then we will take the compass and open the compass from the center A more than half of it. More than half of it, as you are observing here. Dear student, take point A as center and open the compass more than half of the line segment AB. Then draw the two arcs up and down of the radius more than half of the given line segment. This procedure will be same for the remaining three parts also. Third, take the center B, same open compass, and cut the previous two arcs at the point A, at the point P and Q here. I will label it with another pencil. This is the point P and this is the point Q. Third step, take the point B as center and repeat the same procedure, means cut the previous arcs up and down at the points P and Q. Fourth step, join the point P and Q with pencil and passing through the midpoint O, just as here. With pencil we will draw the line that will connect the point P and Q. That will connect the point P and Q. This is the point P and Q, and it will pass from the O. And now here join, fourth step, join P and Q with the ruler that I have done here, passing from the point O, that is midpoint also. Now here the rule, OA line segment is equal to the OB. This is the first part of the right bisector, and here the angle O start from the A, O and P. This is equal to the 90 degree. Similarly B, O and P, that is equal to also the 90 degree. This is the second rule that we have to observe after the completion of the procedure. Here first line segment AO, or line segment BO, or line segment OA or OB, as you wish. I have written here OA, line segment equal to the OB, first part, and second part AOP angle is equal to the BOP angle, and that is equal to the 90 degree. Hence we can say PQ is a right bisector on the line AB line segment. On the line segment AB. So this is the complete observation how to draw a right bisector. Dear student, we have a second topic. Draw a perpendicular of the line segment from a point on it. Now here the given point that we will consider the center. It is on a line segment AB. Perpendicular is also a line can be drawn to a given line through a given point on it by using a pair of compasses as shown in the figure. Dear students, first step here that we will take a center O and draw an arc that cut the AB line segment at the point C and D. First step. Consider the C as center. Open the compass more than CD. More than half of CD. More than half of CD. That is consider the radius. And have a arc up and down. But here we have, in book, we have only upside. We have drawn a arc on upward side. So here we will take the, open the compass more than half of the CD line segment, and you will take the C as center, have an arc up. And again from the same opened compass, we will bisect the first arc at the point L. That is the here. And then in the fourth step, we will join the L to the point M, and it will pass from the midpoint O. Now, LM is a required perpendicular. For this point also, I have attached a video recording that you have to consider and you have to understand for more explanation. Dear student, in exercise 10.2, now we are in question number 2. Draw perpendiculars from the point O to the line AB, to the line segment AB. Now here we are 4 parts given. AB line segment point is here, that we will consider the center, and at this point we have to draw a perpendicular bisector. Same way at the part number 2, point is here, position is changed, and we will draw the perpendicular bisector here, taking the center O. By same pattern, we will draw the perpendicular bisector at the point O as center. Now let us learn how to draw the perpendicular bisector at the point on the given line segment AB. Now we will start the procedure to draw the perpendicular bisector on the AB line segment at the point O. Dear student, here AB, draw AB line segment with center O as in the question given. First we will draw this same question we will draw on the white paper. Procedure start from here. Take the O as center and suitable compass we will open. Suitable compass we have to open and draw the arc having the center O. Having the center O, draw the arc that will cut the AB line at the point C and D. At the point C and D. Draw the arc at the center O on the line segment AB that will cut the AB line segment at the point C and D. Now dear student, take the C as center and open the compass more than CD line segment, more than, less than, more than CO, but less than CD, or we can say more than half of CD as we have done in a previous question. Now I will cut the here with the same compass, taking the center as O. I will cut the previous arc that will cut the first arc or previous arc. First I draw the arc CD at the center O, then I took the point C as center and I drew an arc, and again from the center D I drew another arc that cut the point previous arc at the point here A, at the point A. Dear student, this is the L point that cut. Now first of all, take O as center, open a suitable compass and draw an arc that AB line at that cut the AB line at point C and D. That cuts AB line segment at point C and D. Now third step, take C as center and draw two arcs of the radius more than CD line segment, as here more than CD line segment, half of CD line segment, more than half of CD line segment, half of CD line segment. Now dear students, take the D as center, and draw two arcs of the same radius that cut the previous arcs at the point A. At the point L. We can draw two arcs also, up and down, but I have took a one arc. So I will connect this arc with the center O. With the center O. This will also pass from the O up to the point L. Up from the L to M. We can draw. Now this LM is a required perpendicular. And fifth step is join the L to M. Then we can see LM is a perpendicular on the line segment AB at the point C. This is the required condition. How to draw the perpendicular on a point of the given line segment? We have the 5 steps. Number 1, draw the same question. Number 2, take the O as center, draw an arc that cut the AB at the point C and D. Now third step, here from the C, draw an arc. You can draw arc up and down also, but I have put the arc up only. That will also cut the 8 point on. From C, draw an arc, and from D, draw another arc that cut the previous arc at the point A. And now we will draw here the line passing from the O and connecting this point of connection, that is at the point A. Now this is the L and M. This is the L and M. That is the required perpendicular of the given line segment AB. Okay, this was a procedure how to draw the perpendicular on the given point at the line segment. Dear students, we have a third question, drawing a perpendicular on a line segment having a point out of the line. So this is the point L that we will consider the center. And similarly, from the point L, we will open the suitable compass and have an arc on the XY line segment, and then that will cut it at the point P and Q. That it is also given here. Four steps are there. First of all, we will take the L as center. First step, and have an arc PQ that cut the XY at the point P and at the point Q. This done by the same way. Here I have a PQ arc. I will open the compass, taking the center as P. Open the compass more than half of PQ, and have an arc downward. Means from here we have a first arc here, and same open compass from the Q point we will bisect it in the third step. Now in the fourth step, I will join this A line. It will be joined with the point M. Now dear students, this LM is a perpendicular bisector of the line out of the line segment, out of the line XY, and this is the LM. It is also the perpendicular bisector. Result, the line LM is a required perpendicular. These 4 steps are here. Dear students, for this topic, that we have to draw a perpendicular of the line where the point is out of the line, that will be considered as a center, and we have to draw a perpendicular bisector of the line XY. For this explanation also, I have attached a video. I hope that you will understand. Dear student, we have to start the question number 3 of the exercise 10.2. Question number 3. Draw perpendiculars from the point P to the line segment LM. Here the first part, line segment LM and point P is given. From this point we have to draw a perpendicular on the LM line. How we have to draw? Let us learn. Where we are given this same question, we will rewrite on the white paper and take the point P as center. We will open the suitable compass according to the given point. I will keep it here at the point P, that is considered the center of the given perpendicular, required given perpendicular. Dear students, see from here we will check that is it right. How it is? First of all, we will draw the arc from here on the line LM. On the line LM. Make very clear. LM, that cut the LM point at point A and B. Dear students, from A and B, we have to draw the perpendicular, but now see, take the P as center and draw an arc of suitable radius, that will cut the AB line segment at the point A and B. Take the A as center, draw an arc of the radius more than half of AB. Dear students, I will take the compass similarly, and here I will open more than half and draw the arc downward. Like this way. Same open compass, I will draw another arc from the center or from the point B, that will cut the first arc at the point Q. This is the point Q. Now, another step, we will join the center P to the point of intersection of the given arcs, like here, passing from the here. They will connect. This is the P, this is the Q line that is considered as the perpendicular. First I took the A as center, draw the arc downward, and I took the center B, and then previous arc I cut at the point Q. Now then, with the same radius, take B as center, with the same radius cut the previous arc at the point Q. Now join the P to the Q. Join the P to the Q with the ruler. Now fifth step, PQ is considered perpendicular on the LM. Perpendicular on the line segment LM. This is the PQ. This is the whole procedure. Now remaining, dear students, be careful that rest of the parts I would like to revise. First question, I did the first part. Rest of the 3 parts you have to do as homework. And now to draw the perpendicular on the point. This point is given on the line. We will take this point as center and draw the perpendicular on this point at center O. I have done. Rest of the 3 parts, 3, second, third and fourth, they are as homework. And third video, that is draw the perpendicular from the point. This point is out of the line. This will be considered as center, and draw the perpendicular as I have done. It will be downward. Draw the arc, that is AB arc. Cut the LM line. AB arc, cut the LM line segment at the point A and B. From A, draw first arc. Open the compass more than AB line segment. Now from A, draw first arc. From B, cut the previous arc at the point Q. Join the P to the Q. And after that, PQ is a line that is considered perpendicular that cut the LM point at the 90 degree. So this is the complete procedure to draw the perpendicular bisector.